Clifford is a jerk. All those kids want to know is how to get to Sesame Street. Stop dancing. Say something. Don't ignore them. Say, this place isn't real, or second straight to the right and straight on till morning. Something! They wouldn't pull that filth on Everybody Loves Raymond. You're watching Everybody Loves Raymond. Now here's Steve.
What are you doing with the arm?
Huh?
Stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Huh?
No, stop it.
You know what I mean?
No, stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Huh?
I hate you.
Huh?